Hi guys, for my eye look today, I am using like a product that I've had for a long time, but I'm going back to it because this Alamar Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette was one of like the first eyeshadow palettes that I got, and I got it in like a boxy charm, and I was so intimidated by this. Like I did not really ever use it. The colors are just so pigmented, and I mean, when I was like starting out, it was scary. It's scary to use color sometimes. So now that I'm kind of, it's a couple years later, I'm feeling a little more comfortable. I just wanted to make an eyeshadow look with it. So I'm gonna try, I don't even know if I can use all of these colors, but I'm gonna try. So this is Coco Taxi. Everything that I've gotten from Alamar has been so good. I think it's a great brand. That's a really beautiful kind of just warm orange, kind of like burnt orange color. I like that. Like even that color, like in the palette kind of looks, I don't know. I just remember getting this and being like, oh my gosh, like how am I ever gonna use this? How can I make a look out of this? And I think we've all been there. So it's fun to challenge myself to use the existing products that I have to try and make new looks. Okay. So I'm adding a little bit of the deeper, it's definitely more like a burnt color. It's called Tropico. So I'm just adding that. These are very pigmented. But yeah, makeup is just, I don't know. It's something that is just so cool. Okay. There's two deeper colors. One is more like a red and then one's like a brown. I'm like, what should I do with this? Then the shimmers. See, that's where it like is throwing me off. Like, how do I put a blue or green shimmer? Do I do that with this type of look? Or do I just keep it more neutral? Or do I try and use them all? I'm gonna add a little bit more of that. And I'm really like bringing that out, exaggerating that shape. Okay. Okay. I think I need a little more on this side to even that out. But sometimes you just kind of have to play with it. You force yourself to try things. Maybe it's gonna work and maybe it won't, and that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna get more of a like thin brush. And I'm gonna use Guantanamera, which is almost like it looks kind of like a deep red. Maybe like a brick red, a reddish brown or something. So I'm just gonna try and lay that kind of on my lash line and just start to like bring that out just to accentuate kind of that outer wingish V thing that I have going. Okay. Like even now, I still sometimes feel like I don't even know. Will this look come together? Who even knows? Again, that's the fun of it though. And it's never like so serious that you shouldn't try because you can always just wipe it off. Okay. Okay. As I just say the same things over and over. I'm gonna use that deep brown as like my like wing-ish, or like really on my lash line. It's called Cafecito. So I'm gonna really bring that all the way. Okay, now this looks crazy. This is definitely a trust the process type moment. Oh, I'm literally getting this everywhere. Do your eyes first. I feel like that is never a more true statement than when you're like trying something new or you haven't used it in a while, so you're not even really sure how the formula is going to work, or if you're trying like new color combinations. It's just safest. Okay, this literally looks like a mess, but I think we will get somewhere. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up just slightly because it's like a little distracting. We're at the point where it's like looking a little like this is not gonna come together, but wait. Okay. I think that's kind of a hard part too, is kind of figuring out what color combinations like go together. And that like sometimes holds me back or keeps me like in a box. Because for example, like with this base that I have going on right now, I would never add like blue or green, but we're going to do that today because it's in the palette for a reason. So to me, those colors like realistically should be able to go together. Okay. Okay, honestly, this is a good base. So let's see if my decision to do this is okay. And then I'm gonna just probably use these for like the inner corner. Or maybe like a glitter topper. So we have, which one is deeper? These are beautiful. Okay, I'll probably put blue in the outer, green in the inner. Okay, I'm really going out of my comfort zone, which is good. Sorry if you can hear my dog. Okay, I am using a flat top brush. Thank you for not spraying myself. Okay. I'm gonna start with the green, which seems backwards, but I kind of like to place my inner color first. Oh my gosh. What the heck? That is gorgeous. This color is called Celia. Okay, that color is so pretty. That is like, I don't think I've ever like seen a green that is that color. Okay, see, this is why exactly why I love doing this. Because a lot of the times you will surprise yourself and it will be way better than you think. You can actually make a cute look. Okay, this is a win. That is like one of the prettiest colors I feel like I've ever used. Okay, so now I'm going to use a Varadero to just kind of like complete my lid. I am going over the green in the middle so that it will blend. And I am kind of bringing it out to that wing, so it's just kind of like all conjoined. It's a really pretty color too. Kind of together, it's giving like peacock vibes. So yeah, I'm definitely going over that green, so then it's more of like a gradient. Okay. I like connecting it because otherwise I feel like it just kind of looks awkward. Okay. Okay, I definitely feel like the green is the stunner of this, but okay. Honestly, I am not mad at this. Okay, okay, the hard part's over, like using all those colors, and it doesn't even look bad together. But I would never like think to do this color combination. Okay. Moving on, we will finish the eyes up later, but I'm loving this so far.